What if I told you the $7,699 Tesla flying car is real? Imagine flying from New York to San Francisco in under 19 hours for a fraction of the Model 3's cost. Sounds insane, right? Well, Tesla is making it happen. Let's find out. How does Tesla come up with the price of the Tesla flying car? Picture this. You summon your Tesla flying car with your phone, hop into a sleek, fully autonomous vehicle, and lift off from the rooftop. You glide above traffic, soar over crowded streets, and land effortlessly, all in just minutes. No more wasting hours in traffic, just a smooth, flying experience. But how much does it cost? Is the $7,699 price tag real, or is it a marketing stunt? When most people think of a flying car, they probably imagine a price in the hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions. With cutting-edge aviation tech, something around $150,000 to $350,000 seems reasonable, and even $500,000 wouldn't be surprising next to supercars or helicopters. So how can Tesla offer a personal flying car for this price? It's almost unbelievable, right? For perspective, the Tesla Model 3, the brand's most affordable electric car, starts at over $38,000. And in the aviation world, the technologies required typically push prices way higher than in the traditional car market. The flying car industry is moving fast, with big names like Joby Aviation, EHang, and Lilium already testing functional prototypes. But when it comes to Tesla, known for pushing boundaries in the electric vehicle world, the story gets even more interesting. With cutting-edge battery tech, powerful motors, and top-tier autonomous systems, Tesla has all the ingredients for a flying car success. That's why they believe they can make Tesla flying cars for under $7,000. But developing a flying car isn't as simple as adding wings to a Tesla EV. It demands breakthroughs in aerodynamics, flight control systems, and, above all, strict aviation safety regulations. The real question is, can anyone believe Elon Musk's bold pricing until they see it in action? Today, we're diving into the facts and reasoning that prove you could own a groundbreaking flying car without breaking the bank. The secret might lie in Tesla and SpaceX's ability to scale production, streamline supply chains, and optimize designs. Tesla has already shown it can cut manufacturing costs with cars like the Model 3 and Model Y, and with innovations from the Falcon Heavy and Starship. If they apply this same approach to flying cars, they're likely exploring minimalist designs with ultra-lightweight materials and advanced battery tech to keep costs low. Instead of traditional propellers, the Tesla flying car will feature an electric jet engine, inspired by SpaceX's powerful technology but adapted for electric flight, making travel more efficient and sustainable. Plus, Tesla's Falcon landing tech will allow the car to take off and land vertically with ease, giving it better flight control and, most importantly, ensuring a smooth and safe landing. For the exterior, Tesla will use a minimalist monocoque frame, much like the Starship spacecraft. But instead of stainless steel, they'll use a stunning aluminum-lithium alloy. Lightweight, heat-resistant, and visually striking, combining durability with luxury. While details about the interior are still limited, it's designed for 1 to 2 passengers, focusing on comfort and ease of use. The car will feature advanced control systems and safety features to ensure a secure journey. Picture yourself in a sleek, modern cockpit with an unobstructed 360-degree view, inspired by Tesla's Cybertruck and SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft. The transparent glass canopy will offer a breathtaking, uninterrupted experience of your surroundings. When designing the Tesla flying car, the door mechanism is a crucial factor affecting convenience, safety, and user experience. The two most common options today are traditional doors and gullwing doors. Traditional doors, like those found on most EVs, offer simplicity and practicality. This design makes flying cars easier to manufacture, reducing production costs and maintenance. Additionally, when landing in tight spaces such as rooftop parking lots or crowded city streets, side-opening doors face fewer height restrictions. On the other hand, gull-wing doors provide a futuristic and modern feel while optimizing space during landing. These doors open vertically, allowing passengers to exit easily even when obstacles are nearby. In fact, vehicles like the Tesla Model X have already implemented this technology with built-in sensors to prevent collisions when opening. This feature is especially useful for flying cars, enabling them to land in confined spaces without worrying about having enough room for side-opening doors. So, which option is the better choice? If you were designing a flying car, would you choose traditional doors or gull-wing doors? Let us know in the comments below. When designing the Tesla flying car, the door mechanism plays a vital role in convenience, safety, and user experience. The two main options are traditional doors and gull-wing doors. Traditional doors, like those on most EVs, are simple and practical, making flying cars easier to manufacture, cutting production costs and maintenance. Plus, when landing in tight spaces, like rooftop parking or crowded city streets, side-opening doors face fewer height restrictions. On the other hand, gull-wing doors offer a futuristic, modern feel while saving space during landing. These doors open vertically, allowing passengers to exit easily, even in tight spots. Tesla's Model X already uses this tech with sensors preventing collisions when opening. For flying cars, this feature is key, allowing landings in confined spaces without worrying about room for side-opening doors. So, which would you choose? Traditional or gull-wing doors? Let us know in the comments below. The cockpit layout is designed for simplicity and ease, with a large touchscreen replacing traditional buttons, offering a modern, intuitive experience with haptic feedback. Tesla A. I will handle all flight dynamics and navigation, ensuring smooth, effortless control while keeping the signature design sleek and elegant. Inside, the space is light, airy, and inviting, with a carbon fiber cockpit that adds durability and a futuristic, luxurious look. The seats, designed for two, are perfect for solo adventures, offering a more personal experience compared to traditional vehicles. Every detail is crafted for maximum comfort, allowing passengers to fully enjoy the ride. This vehicle also packs advanced technology. It's built on a high-voltage 800-volt platform with silicon carbide, boosting energy efficiency and overall performance. When you picture a Tesla flying car, you probably imagine something sleek and futuristic, and that's exactly what it is. This electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle can carry 2 passengers, perfect for quick city trips. With speeds up to 150 miles per hour and a range of 100 miles, it can handle multiple flights with minimal wait time. Plus, it's incredibly quiet, about 100 times quieter than a helicopter, producing just 65 decibels of noise, equivalent to a normal conversation during takeoff and landing. Tesla is committed to staying ahead of the tech curve. The company is exploring next-gen battery technologies to boost range and performance. For example, they're researching solid-state batteries, which could double the energy density of traditional lithium-ion batteries. The Tesla flying car will initially run on 6 separate battery packs, ensuring safety with the ability to keep flying even if one battery fails. Its intelligent flight control system offers the flexibility of both autonomous and human piloting. While most flying cars today have a flight time of just 30 to 45 minutes before needing a recharge, Tesla's engineers are developing solid-state and lithium iron phosphate LFP batteries. LFP batteries are more durable and cost-efficient than conventional batteries, which could extend flight times to 1.5 to 2 hours, making the Tesla flying car more practical for longer daily trips. When will we see the Tesla flying car launched? While the timeline for its launch is still uncertain, experts believe that a commercial model could emerge in the next 5 to 7 years, likely closer to 2030. This timeline is based on Tesla's history with ambitious goals, such as the delayed production of the Cybertruck and the significant technological and regulatory hurdles that still need to be overcome. Despite these challenges, Tesla's relentless innovation and their expertise in electric vehicles, AI, and aerospace technology give strong indications that the flying car is a matter of when, not if. Many experts predict that flying cars could begin to appear in some cities by 2030. Cities such as Dubai, Los Angeles, and Singapore are already conducting test flights, and major companies have announced plans to launch commercial flying car services in the coming years. However, widespread adoption is expected to take longer, with some estimates suggesting that personal flying cars might not become common until at least 2050. In the short term, flying cars are expected to serve specialized needs like business travel, emergency medical services, and VIP transport. As costs drop and infrastructure improves, they could eventually become a daily commuting option. While this is a huge technological leap, it's crucial to understand that making a flying car isn't as simple as building a regular electric vehicle. Elon Musk has sparked massive interest in flying cars, especially since Tesla revealed its work on this technology, generating significant media and investor excitement. But despite all the buzz, Tesla is focused on other big projects. The company is still working on enhancing electric vehicle production, addressing market pressures, and managing scrutiny around Musk. More importantly, Tesla must finish the production line for its Optimus robot and roll out new electric vehicle models. That means the flying car isn't yet a top priority. Even with these challenges, Tesla has the resources and technology to bring a flying car to market faster than anyone else. With rapid innovation and development, it's possible Tesla could launch its flying car in the next few years. However, the road ahead isn't easy. Tesla needs to optimize engine technology, flight control systems, energy storage, and mass production processes. This complexity might drive up the initial price until they reach economies of scale to bring costs down. Elon Musk has made bold claims about Tesla's flying car ambitions, particularly with the next-gen Tesla Roadster. In June 2024, he stated the Roadster could fly, though he didn't elaborate on the details. This followed hints that the Roadster might be a joint project with SpaceX, utilizing its aerospace expertise. But the timeline for the vehicle's development is still unclear. Musk has suggested a launch by the end of 2024, but given Tesla's history of ambitious delayed timelines, the actual launch date remains uncertain. There's still debate over whether Musk's claim about the Roadster's hovering capabilities will lead to true flying technology or just enhanced performance features. Even if Tesla cracks the flying car code, the big question is the market ready? The infrastructure for flying cars, like urban airspace, landing pads, and regulations, is still in its early stages. Significant changes in laws and infrastructure are needed before flying cars can take off. While urban air mobility is still developing, progress is picking up speed worldwide. In the US, cities like Los Angeles and Miami are planning vertiports for electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. In 2023, ALF Aeronautics received FAA approval for flight testing of its Model A flying car, signaling regulatory movement. Tesla's use of SpaceX-inspired rocket thrusters and vertical takeoff technology removes the need for long runways, making it perfect for urban areas. With Tesla's influence and resources, compact landing pads and charging stations could soon fit into existing city plans. Despite regulatory hurdles, Tesla's ability to navigate complex laws gives hope. Securing FAA and NHTSA approval are key steps, and Tesla's track record with autopilot shows it's possible. The EU's Single European Sky initiative and Tesla's SpaceX partnership could speed up approval. Consumer interest is rising, with 40% of Americans willing to adopt flying cars. Tesla's cutting-edge tech positions it to overcome skepticism. With a 620-mile range, zero emissions, and autonomous navigation, the flying Roadster is a dream for eco-conscious, tech-savvy consumers. Tesla's flying car prototype is the start of a transportation revolution. By tackling infrastructure, regulations, and consumer doubts, Tesla is set to lead. The flying Roadster combines sustainable tech with visionary design, making it not just possible, but game-changing. Tesla aims to reshape commuting, reduce travel times, and ease traffic. With urban air mobility growing, flying taxis could soon be a reality. After years of dreaming, Tesla is turning flying cars into a reality. That's it. If you liked this video, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more Tesla breakthroughs. See you in the next one.